Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford vehicle. It could be any Ford C-Max, Ford Escape, Ford Focus, Ford Edge, Ford F-150, no matter what it is. If you guys need to remove or replace windshield washer nozzle, spray nozzle, stay with us, we will explain how to do that simply. How to remove it, how to replace it, because if it's broken it may be leaking underneath and it may not be spraying, it may be plugged up and not spraying correctly or not spraying at all. All that will be covered in this video today. Now before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we take them completely apart. We show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. If you need to buy new nozzles for a good price, quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get them for a really good price and save quite a bit of money, guys. So all we need to do, open the hood. You can see right here are the two nozzles. This is on the passenger side, this is on the driver's side, right? Now how do you guys remove and replace those? Pretty simple. Now let me explain you. On some models you will need to pull that hose out from here. If it's stuck or if you have a quick disconnect like that, you can see that plastic ring now, it will go up. You spread it on both sides, it goes up. You can even pull it out if you want to. Make sure you don't lose it. You go ahead, disconnect it now. You can see just like that. Right here now you have, guys, okay, two teeth that you need to go ahead, okay, compress towards each other. You can do one first, push out a little bit, do the other one. Okay, and the nozzle will come out through here, guys. You can see just like that. Now, some of them may come with a hose like that, some may not. If it doesn't, all you have to do, you just grab the thing quick, okay, and pull it out. It may be stuck, okay. That's it, right there. You can see that's how you do it. When you're ready to put it together, it's practically in reverse order. You took it apart, guys. You go ahead from the outside to the inside, push it in until it clicks in place. Go ahead, install the hose. You're ready to go. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.